Assalamu alaikum dear all. This video is about perimeter and word problem. The perimeter of a rectangular field is 70 meter. In this question, rectangular field perimeter is given. First step is to note down basic information which is given in the question, that is perimeter 70 meter, and second thing that its length is 15 meter longer than its breadth. So length is not given and length 15 meter longer than its breadth, but breadth is not given. So we need to suppose that breadth is equal to, let the breadth of rectangular field is equal to x meter. And if breadth is x, then length is equal to x plus 15 so perimeter is given. Perimeter is equal to 2 inside the bracket is length plus breadth. Perimeter is 70 meter is equal to 2 inside the bracket is length is x plus 15 and breadth is x meter. Close this bracket. The simple equation is in front of us. 70 meter is equal to 2 inside the bracket is 2x plus 15. Meter is equal to 4x plus 30. Rearrange this equation. 70 meter minus 30 meter is equal to 4x and therefore x is equal to 10. This x breadth is 10 and length is 10 plus 15, 25 meter. And we need to find the area of this rectangular field. Area is equal to length multiplied by breadth so length is 25 meter and breadth is 10 meter and the area of this rectangular field is 250 square meter. And the next in question, the field is surrounded by a concrete path as shown in the figure. This is concrete path and we need to find the area of this path. To find the area of this path, we will do length multiplied by breadth. First we will find the area of this total rectangular field. Area of path is equal to length multiplied by breadth, and then we will subtract this area from this total area, and this area is 250 square meter. To find length, what is the length of this one? Length is 25. This length is 25 plus 2.5 also. First I am going to write length. L is equal to 25 plus 2.5 meter plus 2.5 meter. If this side is 2.5 meters, so it means this side is also 2.5 meter. So total length we have this one 30 meter. Second, we will find breadth. Breadth is equal to 10 inside the bracket 10 meter plus 5 meter plus 5 meter. So total breadth is 20 meter. This side is 5 meter, so it means this side is also 5 meter. If this side is 2.5 meter, so it means this side is also 2.5 meter, and previous one is 25. So area of path is equal to length multiplied by breadth 30 meter multiplied by 20 meter is equal to 600 square meter. Square, and area for this one is equal to 600 square meter minus 250 square meter, and our answer is 350 square meter. I hope this video helps to understand how to find the area of this rectangular field. Thank you for watching.